It is July 19th. Oh, gentle. 2011. We're with Trey in the hospital. And his brother, baby Micah. Yeah. Oh, no, don't touch his eyes. Baby. Is that your brother? Yeah. Are you the big brother? Are you the big brother? Gentle. Gentle. Yeah. Are you excited about your baby brother? Yeah. Is he going to come home with us? Yeah, the baby. Baby brother? Micah. That's right, Micah. There he is. Oh, hang on, I'm videotaping.